Out here with my brother Luke.
Hello.
It's raining today. It's like stormy out.
We're gonna get wet, get garbage today.
We are gonna get wet. We're also just gonna go find trash underneath bridges around Sonoma County, Santa Rosa Creek, and the Russian River.
Here we start now.
All right, Luke, go find some trash, man. Luke's over there picking up some trash.
Little plastics.
We're underneath this bridge. This is the Willowside Road overpass. We're on the Santa Rosa Creek. It's just starting to fill up with water from these rains we're having. Down here on the Santa Rosa Creek at Willowside Road. This is a special part of the creek because by this point, all of Santa Rosa's trash is washed into here. We got 100 miles of creeks that wash into this creek. This creek alone is 22 miles long, starts at the base of Hood Mountain. And this is the 2-mile point before it enters into the Laguna. So right here, it's ground zero for all the trash of Santa Rosa coming in. Woo-hoo! Holy shit, man! Oh my God! You see what just almost happened? Oh, wow! I don't know. Wow, I don't know if that got caught on tape, but that big ass branch just fell out of this tree, almost hit me. Oh my God! I've never been that close to being hit by a big branch before. Wow! Woo-wee! That was a gust of wind. Hey, getting the trash out. Sometimes it's a little dangerous. Gotta be careful. Wow, that was intense. So back to what I was saying, this area here, all of Santa Rosa's trash is washed into this creek system at this point. It's a lot of trash. All through the streets. Check this out. The water is just starting to come through here and make its own path. The water level is rising. And to me, that's pretty exciting. Look at it, there's a debris field in the making right there. That's even got stuff floating on it. It's gonna go gather with other debris fields. It's nice to go trash it with my brother because I don't have to carry around a bucket and picker. He just does all the work.
He just has to watch out for fallen branches.
Yeah, that branch was huge.
That was crazy, man. Wow, the stream's already almost connecting.
Oh shoot, we're gonna get stranded out here, man.
Yeah, it's cool to be down here when it's creeks are rising. You gotta get the trash before the creek does.
Oh, watch out for these branches. Oh shoot, that one right there. Dude, I don't think this is very safe. Oh wow, man. There's branches all over the place.
It ain't raining, it's just windy now.
Luke crossed over the bridge, came down the other side of the creek there, and this creek is steadily or quickly rising. Look how high the water's gotten in just a matter of minutes. I was just standing down there minutes ago in the gravel bed.
I was on the other side back in a big ditch and there was a bunch of stuff I couldn't get. I've never even seen a hurricane before. I don't know what that is. But this thing, dude, look how high this creek's come up. It was all dirt when we got here.
Yeah, that was a gravel bed down there. Oh my goodness.
That wasn't even connected to the water over there.
No. Good thing I didn't get hit in the head by that branch.
Yeah, that would have been bad. kind of drag you out of here and.
The water's all coming up.
Dang, it's trippy. It's not even raining too hard right now, but it's cool to see the water coming.
Yeah, this water probably, you know, it's been collecting upstream and collecting, and now here it is.
Street runoff. Well, it could be raining harder over there.
Could be.
Got a good little haul out of there. Got a full bucket's worth of trash. my trophy for the day.
There'll be more trophies to be had, Luke. All right, let's go to the next spot.
All right.
Luke and I are back in the truck, in the safety of the truck.
Yeah, no branches falling on us here.
No branches in the truck.
Sheesh.
Now we're heading to a different bridge on the river. At least that's what we think we're doing. It's kind of loose plans here.
Yeah, we have a itinerary
Yeah.
to follow, but we might makeshift it on the way.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna be changed along the way for sure, because it's stormy out.
It's not raining as hard as it was when we started. That's good.
I'm even driving around with my waders on. So it's kind of hard. I can't get my seatbelt buckled in. I got my knife, my waders, all in the way.
Rain jackets.
You know, when you almost get hit by a big branch, you got to put your seatbelt on.
Yeah. Be thankful that you're still upright.
All right, Luke, let's go.
All right, let's go.
All right, we're heading out to the river. We're gonna head out to a bridge, but the rain is kind of sprinkly now. So we're gonna head out to Steelhead Beach and check out the level of the river there at that beach. Pick up any piece of trash that we find along the way.
All right, we're at Steelhead Beach. Authorized parking in the no parking zone.
Yeah, we're not supposed to park here. See what happens. All right, we're down here at the river's edge. Also, this beach is handled by the Park Service, so they pick up a lot of trash too. What is it?
Got some Patreon extra and Heyo. I don't know how to say that.
I think you did a fine job.
I know it's made in Mexico.
All right,
Must
probably
be good
tequila.
Stuff. Good stuff there. I don't know how the water washed it right onto that branch so perfect.
People. Luke's back up in the scrub. Let's find his stuff high and low.
Searching for trash. Pretty clean around here though, I gotta say. No major hot spots, so they say.
All right, Luke and I are leaving Steelhead Beach, heading into Guerneville.
Check out our next spot.
Stay tuned. Don't go yet.
Yeah.
I know my videos are hard to watch, but stay tuned. Maybe something cool will happen. Who knows? It might suck. You know, stopping this video now might be the best thing you can do. But if you continue on, you don't know. Maybe
Get
something
some good
cool.
nature shots for you guys.
Yeah, I'll put together a nature montage for y'all. All right, we're here at Hobart Creek.
Picking out trash.
This creek drains into the Russian River, probably only several blocks away from this location here.
All right,
See what kind of trash is down there.
let's go.
Look at somebody already bagged up some trash for us. That was nice of them. Slippery, huh? All right, we're down here underneath this overpass. There's a lot of plastics, jar lids, and stuff like that. Pick that stuff up and go explore this creek a little bit. Just got down into this creek here. It's still dry. It's got some stuff scattered throughout. All right, staging my first bucket load. It's a mess down here.
It is.
We just encountered kind of an encampment situation here with a lot of extra debris down here on the bank. We're gonna do what we can and try not to disturb it too much because this is somebody's home, really. Luke getting the trash out.
One piece at a time. Look at this dried up Christmas tree.
That wasn't from this year.
Oh, what's this?
I don't know. I wouldn't uncover this too much.
Well,
this
has a...
Yeah, but this is all together. Underneath this bamboo here is a bunch of treasures that are stashed, and we don't really want to disturb it too much because it's somebody's possessions. These kind of situations are unfortunate for the environment, but there's a line, there's a balance. Pretty massive area under this bridge. You go down this way, it's beautiful. It smells like eucalyptus.
Few trashy areas down here. The rest of it's beautiful. It's a kind of neat place, actually.
Cut my thumb.
Uh-oh. Dog?
I don't know, I can't even feel it.
Oh, shit. Dumping your bucket out, or what?
And I can't touch any more garbage with my thumb. It's exposed. Every once in a while you find something kind of interesting.
Look at the front side.
Somebody detailed out that rock right there. Luke and I are leaving this spot better than when we got here.
Oh yeah.
It's not great though. I mean, we had to leave some stuff, but we kind of organized it for these fellas.
Yeah. We organized the trash down here.
What are you calling this cleanup under this bridge, Luke?
The Hobart Creek Haul.
The Hobart Creek Haul.
Half the haul, we left the other half here because there's just too much.
Sometimes you can't take all the trash with you.
Yeah, I don't think your truck has room for all this.
No, we don't have time.
No.
But if water does come through here, it's not going to wash in so many plastics. We got quite a bit of that out of here.
Yeah, I think we got the creek beds secure.
Yeah.
For the next rain that should be coming, but there is no creek water down here, which is interesting for how much rain we've had.
For this creek, it must just take a torrential downpour to get water flowing through it.
Yeah. Beautiful place, though.
All right, wrapping up our Hobart Creek cleanup. Got a full sack. Well, not completely full, but that sack is holding a lot of trash. 2 5-gallon buckets.
We got some trash out of there. Well, it's been fun hanging out with my brother down on the creek, out at the river, on the other creek, watching branches fall and all kinds of exciting stuff. We got a good break in the weather. It was looking to be a rainy day, so we put all our rainy clothes on, and now we're all kind of dry and sweaty.
All right.
Right on.
Time to go.
Well, good. taking out trash there, and that was a good time.